Hi guys, welcome to another video and welcome to O's Welding Company in the Gambia, West Coast region, Gunjur. O's is the one of the young endurance man who own a big welding company in Gunjur. O's staffs 25 youths that are working under him, and he is well professional on his work, which really attract many folks or customers to work with him. Guys, I'm very excited to share this video to you guys that O's have already spoken his hard working challenges and how he really managed with these 25 students or 30 students in his company. So guys, you can listen to us from beginning to the text.
Hello, Usman Bojang. Ya, dulu kan cuma di Os Korol dan tafangan dan ye ndalan jana Os Badi, no. Abarandel bedu bandel kolaja. So na do go bunda loro min ka wala bundalti. Aning korda bunda wal single bundal. Barandero bogna burkol. Aning thanks kana gana san. Aning yan do gu jama min dana nela karula ran. Anara nyawa nyang ba wala le.
Karanding jela ni.
Jang karanding imbi jang 25. Yeah, but beaten the member jam mo 20 bijan na bidan.
So the call be manage no le.
Yeah, engage be manage.
Ita ti jang the mare la second boss ni ang ka din no monitor ke don dia.
You don't na second boss ti. Ga fa you survive. Yeah, but annin di jam mo yang kumandi sumandi ro lantara. Na da jan dunya min ka daro le nyam. Olda ko kudol explain nya lo biga bay. Ka ko nya ko karo adi da man dar serious den ya na sa ko biga bay je.
So ita do go starting so up to now this level mun ko la kulla so kadi
ko la ku kai isa alhamdulillah so nde ngado go starting go sa de ko na ya na bosi ka ko le sa songo
Adele karani do.
Adele karani. Yeah. So ayambula dual kala ku ko tan kala understand ayambula alhamdulillah fanana nada lo dan fa abarande fulal bambula understand abarande fulal bambula yudi anin kadire yaje so na bije mbol nyama mol kanana e ka fanyo ko la fa ndin karani me jolo bodinde mo nara mbige dungo de o mona luwande na anna dar mo ta da ko mo koti balu ni o ala o man daram da buru ya na san so wala bi okay ba andela plan ni ana da ba lim daga mi mirang kung wala ko yani next 2-3 years adara nga abarande fula saba ngol bula madula do create ifana daraje umuna plan ne de no good plan na dia am easy no am easy but fana min fana video fana bagala min la min fana gala jam fana ba tara la momo il faut mo solo anna gala bibe mulu na pour la understand momo na raje banjela de no so na number fana is 7673 962 official choose of Navambule 59555690. So momo na raja wado wadila for do ko sifa o sifa ran dol baga la ne kira nyawa nyan sa ko na nyawa okay inde na safety ge do lon jani ganda bulan na bose na safety ge do dinna afanga na business of na register ko jado ne afi patan sebi ga falinde jado la ga fale so ni la fa kule ka kule ke dunia da dawa da do ko la biye so ida dara sirin no iba ko lambi dala Europe le nimman da Europe jamba tan dinna jamba ko yaare ne ba wullale do ko ke ya na sande so jado ni o fi paranse bi ga falen jado la ka falen so ya na sande idara arabo le ayo do ko la garaje ya na sande idara Chinese so lewo do ko garaje so wano dida fa be fa sun sade to ida do ko kala ndol Gambia non ndol fonni ko nyanda ka jandu Imo mo ya be do hamulan purga tam. Ya understand? But ko kum wato. Yeah. Ya time is the best. Ala wato. Olo kum wato. Yeah.
So guys, if anyone watching this video, you please subscribe, like, comment and share our videos, and stay tuned for more documentaries and motivation videos from us. It's your boy Jonathan by JJ Squad Vlogs. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let's hit 100k. It's 2023. Let's go. And anything we get here is all going back to the community. So please let's support and subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. Cheers. Enjoy.